A warm hello and welcome to you all viewers. Today we are going to talk about shame and guilt. Do you find a difference in these? Yes, there's a lot of difference in between these two. Before that, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Prachiti Punde. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. So shame and guilt. So what is shame? First of all, let me tell you, most of us have been taught in our childhood, and most of us have been bullied or have been talked back in our childhood about how we are not good enough, how we have to achieve certain things, how we have to restrict ourselves in the society norms, how we have to follow certain things, follow the rules of the society, whether we like it or we don't like it, follow certain points, we have to take some good grades and good marks in our schools, whether we are not or whether we are good or not in sports, whether we like or not sports, we have to take up a sports activity and we have to be best in a sports. At the same time, we also have to be best in our drawing skills, we have to be the best, while our communication skills in front of others, our parents are constantly trying to make us the best version of their own self, what they had thought they would be. Most of us have always been told you are not good enough. In most of the instances, there are two types of responses as a child. First one is where we accept that and we take that shame on us, or we take that guilt on us that we are not good enough, and then we develop this habit of introspecting ourselves, self-blaming ourselves with shaming. The second reaction to this could be, we could talk out back that no, I just don't want to do this because I don't like sports. Or we start crying, or we start getting angry, we start throwing temper tantrums as a child. But then what happens is that the parents or the society keeps on again blaming us that, do you think you're wise enough? Do you know all these things? Do you think? खुद को बहुत होशियार समझते हो, खुद को बहुत शाणे समझते हो. And then what happens is, after repeated anger, after repeated crying, because we are kids, we somehow give up into this thought, and then somehow these shame and guilt creeps into our minds, starts creeping up. So friends, what is the difference between this shame and guilt? Shame is a projection of the self. Basically, we feel that we are lacking in some qualities. We are not good enough. Whereas guilt is focusing on the personality aspect. Guilt is a verb basically. It is focusing on the actions that I did something wrong. I did something bad. So shame is where you can say yourself that I am not good enough, I am not good looking, I am not nice at work. And guilt is where you find yourself doing certain actions which are wrong. That I did this bad and so I took the guilt. I scolded my daughter, my child, my son, and so I take the guilt that I am not good enough. And these are the two differences. So what happens when shame piles up? When shame piles up, the person starts going into depression. This person starts going into self-blaming, into getting anxiety, panic attacks. So when I have my patients, my clients as a life coach, I do a lot of life coaching, personally one-to-one also, and in lecturing also. So when I get such clients, then they keep on saying that नहीं मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ, मैं मेरे बच्चे को डांटती हूँ, मैं कुछ काम ही नहीं कर पाती घर पे, even if they are homemakers. We find a lot of women are into self-blaming, of shaming, and a lot of women are into guilt. A lot of men are also into guilt consciousness because they find themselves pushing their limits and they are not able to earn that enough amount of money for the family, or they are finding they are landing up into addictions. So guilt is mostly found with men and shaming is mostly found in women. The ratio is not, it is not that guilt is found only in men, but guilt is more often found in men. And often what happens with shame, as we said in shaming, the women or men, they land up into depression, into suicidal tendencies. But in case of guilt, people land up into various kinds of addictions, various kinds of tantrums, various kinds of behavioral patterns, and where the body and mind are stressed, and then these people start landing up into lifestyle modified stressors, which then adds up upon the body, creating the lifestyle modified diseases. So please friends, please make a note down today, take a pen and paper and write down all your shames, all your guilts at whatever stages of your life, at whatever points you are feeling guilty of yourself, you are shaming yourself, whatever the childhood beliefs are there, you can just correlate with those beliefs and start working on it. If you find any problems during this working, you can leave a comment to me in the comment box and I'll be surely happy to help you all. Leave behind these shames, leave behind this guilt, give yourself some space to be your own inner self. Do also check my other videos on self-mastery so that you can attain a very nice relationship with your own self. Thank you friends. Stay blessed, stay happy and take care. Bye.